Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to easily use BackgroundWorker in your application. And for example, as you can see, I have a button 1 that calls some task that making some tasks, and let's see what will happen if I'm clicking on my button. As you can see, my application just stuck, freezing not response, because he's have to wait every second after every increment operation, and after all it's unstuck. And as you can see, it's not cool because he's because he's freezing my application. So to fix this problem, all we have to do is just declare BackgroundWorker and create another async method and call this method from this button 1. So let's create it. Let's declare BackgroundWorker and call it, for example, BW. Let's create a sync method. Private async void tasks. For example, we call it tasks async, and we have to cut this code from here and put right here. So we're gonna call our tasks async from here, from button. To do that, we have to do something like this: create new BackgroundWorker, bw do work plus equal object EA equals more than our tasks async. And of course we have to run our BackgroundWorker async. And how many times we're gonna use it? Just one time. How many times is have to call it, and we have to say it right here in times. So after that, after clicking our button, we call our task async that asyncly executing our code. So let's see how it works. So I'm running my application, I'm clicking on the button, and as you can see, it's not stacking, it's a response, it's not freezing, everything's fine, everything's perfect. So easy to use BackgroundWorker. Feel free to copy this code from description section and like this video, subscribe to my channel. See ya!